What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT GPU or graphics card. I was able to find one for I got it on the AMD Direct store after camping out there and just waiting because I was not going to pay over MSRP, seeing as this card in particular is already overpriced in my opinion. But I wanted to go Team Red to see, what it was all about, to make a good comparison. I currently have NVIDIA GPUs. I've always had NVIDIA GPUs. So this is going to be my first kind of journey down the street with the red team. So, I wanted to see what it's all about, and this is the one that was available. And obviously, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you know that, GPUs are scarce right now. So, the only way I don't have a bot or anything like that, I just, got lucky. Shout out to Falcon and his YouTube channel. He's amazing, just kind of like, he has the bots out there, and, you kind of go to the website all fast and see if you can get in where you fit in. And that's how I got it. Nothing too amazing or anything like that. I was just one of the lucky individuals to get one. So anyways, the price on this one is $1,000. Again, this is a Halo product. This is kind of like in comparison, this is be comparable to a NVIDIA to a 3090. Kind of overpriced, overpowered. But again, in this day and age, kind of get in where you fit in. And I'll be doing some videos and stuff like that and some comparisons, just so, just to see what it's all about. Just go over some of the specs. It has 80 compute units. The boost frequency goes up to 2.2 or 2200 megahertz. And in game can boost up to 2000 megahertz. Has 80 ray accelerators, up to, but again, not not all used at one time. Up to over 5,000 stream processors, 320 texture units, and it has 26.8 billion transistors. This actual card itself, it is 300 watts, so I would probably, the lowest power supply I would probably feel comfortable with is anywhere between, I would say anywhere between 650 and 700. Obviously, anything above that, but that's kind of like the minimum, especially if you're going to be doing any type of overclocking, which these don't overclock well from some of the videos that I've been watching. I wouldn't recommend it. But if you do plan on doing that, make sure you buy a power supply that's going to give you, enough headroom. This has 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, has a 256 bit bus, and the memory bandwidth is up to 512 gigabytes. So has plenty of RAM. You're not going to need it in today's AAA games and things like that, but I'll be curious to see, as they develop the drivers and things like that, how this translates moving forward. I believe this is a moving forward type of purchase. One more thing, this is a big boy. This is a triple stack card, so just know that if you're building something like this, the 3090 and this card, I believe, are triple slot cards. So they are pretty hefty. So without further ado, guys, talking y'all to death. I'm pretty sure everybody done seen the video, but this is just me. Great presentation, as you can see, uncompromised 4K gaming. Obviously, I know that the red team right now doesn't have DLSS. They're currently working on it. I'll be curious, and this is another reason why I wanted to do comparisons, to see when they do enable it on these GPUs, how good it will be in comparison with NVIDIA. So again, there you go. And I believe it's going to be a version of the Fidelity FX moniker, when they do develop it. And there we go. Here's the card. And like I said, it's a big boy box. Loving the packaging. As you can see, welcome to the red team. Definitely think that's dope. So, man, okay. So I guess, you know, for a G, they really making sure that you getting this experience. So I'm definitely feeling that. Got us in this little slot and all that. And see, this is that nice little mat, so you can put the GPU on there on the mat, which is really dope. So I'll lay that down there. AMD, if you guys want to do some partnership or some sponsoring with a small channel, let me know. And you know, like always, if you guys do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, and subscribe, I'll be doing some more videos. And just, you know, if you guys got any ideas, tell me what you guys want. And here you go. This is the GPU itself. And like I said, it's a big boy. Very nice. Has your display ports, USB-C, HDMI. So really, you know, to the point. Yep. 2 8-pins. Air cooled. And you know, this is nice. I like this. Very well put together. But again, you know, there you have it. And again, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments. You guys take care of each other. Peace.